So I'm excited, I'm announcing my new video series called Behind the Block. In every video I'm going to be looking at all the different quilt blocks, all the way from the classics right up to new modern quilt blocks. Each video will have step-by-step instructions on how to make that block, with tips for how to assembly line and chain piece the block so you can make them in the fastest way possible. And then finally, in each video I'm going to show you some ideas for quilts that you can make using the block that's featured in the video. It's going to be a fun and easy series to follow, and along the way you're going to build up all manner of different skills that are going to help you with your quilting. The first two videos in the series will go live on my channel on Monday the 5th of October 2020, and the first two blocks that we're going to feature is the classic 4 patch and the classic 9 patch. Now every block is going to have two versions of the video. There'll be a detailed version that has step-by-step instructions and tips and tricks that are going to help you to make that block better. And then the second version is going to be a too long, didn't watch version, which is going to condense everything down into just the bare minimum steps and instructions that you need to get making that quilt block fast. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified when these videos are released on the channel. And why not leave me a comment below for a block that you'd like to see featured in my Behind the Block series. So I look forward to seeing you in the first video. Until then, take care.